Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the VOOI Baby Bassinet Bedside Sleeper, a 3-in-1 marvel designed for both convenience and comfort. This versatile bassinet serves as a standalone haven, a portable companion for travel, and a secure bedside sleeper, ensuring your baby is always close to you. With its 6 height adjustments and side zipper design, co-sleeping becomes a breeze, allowing you to tend to your baby without leaving your bed. The breathable mesh panels provide maximum ventilation, making it the perfect companion for nursing moms seeking a peaceful night's sleep. Assembly is a snap with its tool-free setup and easy folding mechanism, while the universal wheels with brakes make it simple to move from room to room. The robust triangular construction and high-quality aluminum tubes ensure stability, making it nearly impossible to tip over. Embrace the flexibility and charm of the VOOI Baby Bassinet, where safety meets style in the ultimate portable bassinet solution. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.